Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair asked Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu about those who invoke mutual imprecation. He thereupon said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to those who invoke mutual imprecation, your account lies with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but one of you is a liar. You exercise no right over her. That man submitted, what about my property, doer? He said, you will not get your property back, for if you are true, her private parts become lawful for you in lieu of it. But if you are a liar, you exercise no right over it. Sufyan says that he has learnt this hadith from Amr bin Dinar. Ayyub says that he heard from Saeed bin Jubair that he asked Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu that a man invoked imprecation against his wife. He said, by the gesture of his finger, and Sufyan kept a space between his index and middle finger, implying that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders for the separation between a couple of Banu Ajlan and said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows that one of you is a liar. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it thrice. Who of you repents? Sufyan says that he has narrated this hadith to you as he learnt it from Amr bin Dinar and Ayyub. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5312.